In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a PowerPoint presentation in just 5 minutes. Creating a PowerPoint presentation can sometimes seem like a daunting task, especially if you're looking to make an impression. But worry not. With a few simple steps, you can design a stunning PowerPoint presentation that captures your audience's attention and conveys your message effectively. First things first, let's get your Microsoft PowerPoint up and running. If you haven't already, open the application on your computer. This is where all the magic begins. PowerPoint is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can create visually engaging and professional presentations. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next thing you'll want to do is open your file. This could be a new presentation you're starting from scratch, or an existing one you wish to redesign. To open a file, simply click on the File menu at the top left corner, and then click Open. From there, navigate to your document and open it. Now, with your presentation open, we're going to focus on the design aspect. You'll want to head over to the Design tab on the ribbon. This tab is packed with features that allow you to customize the look and feel of your entire presentation. The first thing you'll see in the Design tab is a range of templates. These are pre-designed themes that give your slide a coordinated look, from the background to the font style and color. Take a moment to click through these templates. As you hover over each option, you'll see a preview of how it will look on your slide. Choose a template that aligns with the mood or tone of your presentation. Whether it's professional, creative, or somewhere in between, there's a template for almost every occasion. Now, for a more customized look, let's tweak the colors of your chosen template. Notice the variants group next to the templates. Click on the drop-down arrow here. This action reveals additional customization options, including colors, fonts, and background styles. Go ahead and click on Colors within this drop-down menu. Here you're presented with a variety of color schemes that can dramatically change the feel of your presentation. These are not just random colors thrown together, they're carefully selected palettes that ensure good contrast and readability on your slides. I encourage you to browse through these options and select a color scheme that best suits the aesthetic you're aiming for. Maybe you want something bold and vibrant to keep your audience engaged, or perhaps something more subdued for a professional or formal presentation. The choice is entirely yours. Choosing your own colors allows you to inject a bit of personality and branding into your presentation. It's these small details that can make your slides stand out and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Congratulations! Just by following these simple steps, you've taken a giant leap towards designing a PowerPoint presentation that not only looks great, but is tailored to your style and needs. Remember, the key to a great presentation isn't just the information you provide, but how you present it. By choosing the right design elements, colors, and templates, you're well on your way to creating a PowerPoint presentation that is both informative and visually appealing. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to design a PowerPoint presentation in 5 minutes. Experiment with different designs and color schemes and see what works best for your narrative. PowerPoint is an incredibly versatile tool, and with a little practice you can harness its full potential to elevate your presentations. Happy designing!